Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to change Instagram chat theme from gallery. It's very quick and easy, so let's start. First thing you have to do is open Instagram application and head over to your messages. Just go to the message that you want to change the theme, and once you're in the chat, just swipe left and then tap on theme. So here you have many designs to choose from, so just tap on the one that you prefer. Let's say for example this one, then tap on select. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!